Let's do this. So here's the rules. As soon as I throw the flag, you guys run over there, hop on them, and get after it. Whoever crosses the finish line first is the winner. Hit it!
Yeah! Yeah!
I want a brand new episode of Cribs and I can play baseball in and a king size tub big enough for 10 plus me.
So what you need?
I'll need a credit card that's got no limit and a big black jet with a bedroom in it. Gonna join the Mile High Club at 37,000
That was like one wheel.
I want a new tour bus full of old guitars. Mine star on Hollywood Boulevard. Somewhere between Cher and James Dean is fine for me.
Dude, he took you at the last second.
I'm gonna trade this life for fortune and fame. I'd even cut my hair and change my name.